Friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a creative menu hover effect using HTML. Because I lost the one class of HTML, I will only upload 9 classes of HTML. So I will upload full 10 classes in HTML. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, I will see what we are building. We will be building that creative menu hover effect. So here you can see it. You can click home, so it is coming home. You can click about, it is coming about services, work, and team. It is manuals. Here you can see it is easily is coming. Here you can see this looks very beautiful. Here you can see it. We are building that in this class. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. So first of all, I will be side by side it and erase the style.css file because I will work only on HTML file. So I will go here and copy it, erase it, and save it. Then I will side by side because you are a beginner's level, so I will be we work on by side by side. Okay. So now first of all, I will erase that. And here we can write first of all HTML. Titles will be CSS only creative menu hover effects. So the layout is done. So now I will here go and enter press, and here we can write like body. No, I will not write body. Here the layout is done. So now here you can easily is I will go here, enter press, and enter press also here. Here you can write UL, enter. Here you can write LI and LI style. LI style should be my like LI style. Erase it. First of all, erase it. Sorry. LI. Sorry. Here we can write style. Erase there. Here we can erase it, and now here we can write style. And style should be my minus CL. And here we can write hashtag 81ECEC. And now the layer work is done. And here we can write like that. And here we can write like href. And now here we can hashtag. And here we can write data slash text. And here we can write like home, and here we can also write home. So now I will copy it and paste 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now first of all here we can and change his color. Here we can change his color. His color should be FF7675. And here you can erase the home. Here you can write about, and here you can also write about, and here we can tell him what is done. So now here you can go and here you can erase this color 55EFC4 and erase it, and here we can write services, and here we can also write services. And now erase him there, and here you can write like A29FE, A29BFE, okay. And here you can write erase it, and now services is only work. Then here also you can write work. Then erase. Then here you can and write like color should be hashtag FD798A, and his should be team, and his also should be team. Okay, and now here we can edit this color, and this color should be FFEAA7, and this should be contact means, okay, text and contact. Then save, then refresh. So here you can see it easily, it's all is coming. So I will style it because we are building only in HTML. So first of all, here we can write as style, enter press, and now enter press, and first of all here you can write like hashtag margin 0, padding 0, box sizing will be border box, font of family will be Poppins, comma and check. Okay, so here we can write body, display should be flex, justify content should be center, align item should be center, min height should be 100 VH, overflow should be hidden, background should be FFF, enter UL position should be relative, enter UL enter list style should be none, text align should be center, until my work is done. So I will write here ULLIA color should be hashtag 333, enter color should be white minus CIR, enter font weight 500, save here, then refresh. So here you can see till my work is done. And now sorry, here we can mistake it, here we can write hover and A, and now enter, now you can write ULLIA hashtag color hashtag 333, text decoration should be none, enter, and here you can write font size should be 2EM, enter, padding 5 pixels, 20 pixels, enter, display should be inline flex, enter, and now here we can write font weight 300, enter, letter spacing 0.1 EM, enter, text transform should be uppercase, save here, then refresh. So here you can see till my work is done. So I will go to the down, enter, and now here you can write easily first of all, yeah, here you can write UL/hover, and here you can write LI, here you can write not, and you can write here hover. Here opacity should be 0. Okay, so enter, here you can write ULLIA before, enter content, enter position absolute, top 50% and left 40%, enter, transform should be translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%, enter, display should be flex, justify content should be centered, enter, and here you can write align item should be center, font size should be 5 PM, enter, and here you can write opacity should be 0, enter, color should be my hashtag 222, enter, jet index should be -1, enter, font weight should be 400, text transform should be enter, and enter, here you can write letter spacing should be 500 pixels, transition should be letter spacing should be 0.5 seconds. Enter font family should be Mento, comma, curves, and enter ULLIA, hover, and here we can write type before, and here we can write hover, and enter, and now here we can write like here you can write only some code, and here you can write content ATR, and here ATR. So I will see what is my mistake. ATTR, and here you can write data text. Okay, and enter, and opacity should be 1, left should be 50%, save, refresh. So here you can see it is coming, but it is not coming fixed. So I go to the down. So I will write, and here you can write background var, comma, CLR, enter, width 250 VH, enter, height 250 VH, enter, letter spacing 0, save, refresh. So here you can see till I'm done. So I go to the here, and here I go to the noun. So here we can ULLI should be A before. Okay. So here we can mistake it because here we can not write CLR. Here we can write CIR. Okay. Here we can write CLR. Okay, not IR. It is. Save. Then go here. Then refresh. So it is coming, but it is also not a fix. Means that the text also done is this. Yes, and here we can go down. So we can and see the mistake. What we can mistake it. Color is also good. Okay, CLR data text. So I will here we can go. And up. So I will see what is my mistake. So I will go to the up. And now, saw my mistake. Here you can write CLR, then save, then refresh. And now here, first of all, here, then you can see it. Then you can see it is built. Here you can see it because you cannot write the. Here you can write the I. Here you can write L. So it is coming. So here you can see it. L only. All there. Here you can write L. So here you can see it. Easily I will build it. And I hope you can enjoy this class and enjoy it. So like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So I will meet in the next class. So for today, goodbye.